Hi friends, we are proud to announce the fifth edition of the Conceptual Orthopedics Postgraduate Teaching Program, which will be held this year from November 15 to 17 at Vidya Jeevan Centre at Greater Noida. So, what is important from a postgraduate's perspective to clear practical exam is to have the right knowledge, attitude, and skills. The knowledge we would have all gained by reading from books and attending various lectures. The attitude can only be gained by presenting cases to these faculties and examiners and being able to answer their questions. And the skills will be enhanced by again presenting cases and demonstrating the clinical science and the tests. So grab this opportunity, be present during the course. We promise to include almost all varieties of cases that could possibly be kept in your final practical exams, be it hip, spine, pediatric cases, nerve injuries, and other varieties. So, register for the course and more importantly, be the one to present the cases. See you all from November 15 to 17 at Vidya Jeevan Centre.